Good morning, friends, families, future clients. This is your dependable broker, Broker Nick. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Barangay San Pablo in Santo Tomas, Batangas. Ayan, I will feature Valle Pio Executive Subdivision. As you can see sa video, malapit lamang po siya sa highway and walking distance lamang po from the highway yung gate ng subdivision. So, if i-feature ko yung kanilang mga house models, and if you are somebody na looking for malilipatan agad na property or pre-selling, ito yung feeling kong magandang i-offer ko sa inyo. And just keep on watching, guys. Thank you. What you are seeing right now is segundo model. So, segundo model has a minimum lot size of 72 square meters and a floor area of 52.5 square meters. Meron tong 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a carport, and a balcony. So, sa exterior pa lang po, makikita nyo na wala na kayong ipapaayos. And by the way, complete finish po si segundo model. So, meron na po siyang tiles, may wall paint na rin po, meron ng partition sa taas, may ceiling na rin, okay lahat ng electrical. So, meaning, lilipat na lang po kayo. Then, as you can see now, complete ang mga bathroom accessories po natin dyan. Naka-tiles na rin. Going to the service area, ayan. Complete na rin po. So, makikita nyo naman, wala na kayong ipapaayos. And by the way, segundo model is available po through Pag-ibig Financing. Ayan. So, this is the spacious first floor. Then, going to the second floor, nakatiles na po ang mga stairs. Steel ang handrails. Ayan. Then, here in the second floor, makikita nyo na po ang flooring na second floor po natin is nakatiles. Then, may partition na po siya. So, complete deliverables po talaga, and going here sa second toilet and bath with complete bathroom accessories. Ayan. So, napakaganda po nitong segundo model since along the highway lang po siya. And malapit siya sa SM Santo Tomas, sa Valle Pio, and very accessible if you are working sa Makati, sa mga Alabang. So, mauuwian nyo po itong house and lot property na to. Then, moving forward, makikita nyo na po ang second bedroom. Malalaki ang bintana. Ang ceiling height po nito is around 2.5 meters. Ayan. So, sliding na po ang mga windows. Ang maganda kay segundo model, makikita nyo po, ayan, common po ang balcony niya. So, meron po itong balcony and showing the beauty of Santo Tomas, Batangas area. Then ito naman po, makikita nyo yung current status ng Valle Pio Executive na subdivision. So makikita nyo may mga ongoing construction units, merong mga RFO. So ayan, so marami pa pong available dito, and mga roads is malalapad po. So hindi po problema dito yung pagmamaneuver ng sasakyan nyo. As I've said, along the highway lang po siya. So this is the computation. So if you are interested, feel free to contact me, and thank you for watching this video. Salamat!